You are now at close prior. The gentle cycle, ladies delegates. You are now a vacuum cleaner. Keep your chair still. Keep your chair still. You are now a clock. You are now juggling 3 balls. Juggle those balls. Here's the 4th ball catch. Do some tricks under your legs, behind your head. Oh, there you go. Now you're looking good. Audience, next 2 are really good pictures. You are now milking a cow. A very short cow. You are now a goldfish swimming in a bowl. Chop 1 ton of onions for me. Chop those onions. Onion juice is getting in your eyes, but keep chopping. You're now riding a motorcycle. You're going up a hill, down a hill, to the right, to the left. It's now a bumpy road. You're now riding a horsey Kentucky derby. Coming out on the 4th turn in your home stretch. Come on.